Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, 1 hour time frame, we did get a little bit of a lower high. We definitely got a little bit of a pullback. We do not have a breaker structure down yet, so I would still presume that anything to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. It's already made three waves, so it could possibly just keep on going up from here. I think just based on this wave two down here, that it could stretch out a little bit, maybe do something like this and then tomorrow afternoon maybe continue the uptrend. We have to remember that today was a bank holiday in the US, so definitely not a lot of volume coming out of New York today, but we are definitely still looking for longs. I still think the 61% is the most likely target because that would take out the liquidity on the 4 hour time frame drop based drop zone, and that could be the completion of either a wave B or a wave two on the daily to 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.